be showing you how to connect your custom FileMaker app with the Walmart Marketplace API. That's where you can essentially sell your products on the Walmart website and be able to set the inventory and your pricing and control the tracking and the acknowledgments of the orders. So there's a lot in here you can control. Essentially anything on the seller's website where you can manage this, you can do that through this API where it's automated rather than people having to go through and manually make the changes or acknowledge the orders. So here we're going to be giving an example. It's a simple one of just being able to update your inventory or pull the inventory, see what you have in stock on the website. So for starters, we're kind of going under the assumption that you've already gotten an account with them. So if you haven't yet, that's something that you have to do on the Marketplace website, where you have to apply to become a partner with Walmart. They have to accept your application, and then you get the Marketplace seller's account. From there, if you go to, once you already have an account, if you go to developers.walmart.com, up here you'll see your account name and you'll see API keys. That will take you here where back in September they made it where they have a token-based authentication process. You may have been using the older one. They're moving more towards this one. It's a little bit easier to understand and works a little bit better. So you'll need to grab whatever value you have in here in the client ID or the client secret, or you can reset it and create a new one. But once you have that information, you just need to go to your FileMaker custom app, or in this case our example file, and put those IDs and secret inside. And then you will need to enter your SKU of the item. So in this case, I think I was tested with 4201, and you can pull that, and then Walmart will send back the SKU and confirmation SKU, and then say what the unit is, so each, the amount, and what the lag time is for fulfilling that order or the request for that item. And if you see in the example file, we have both the request that you're sending to Walmart and the response that they're sending back. All this is using native FileMaker, so you don't need any other custom tools or plugins or anything like that. You should be able to just put this all inside of your custom app. Then the other option you have is, in this example file, is to update the product's information. Specifically, we're just doing the item quantity or the lag time. So if we wanted to say that you had 10 now in inventory, you can update that product's information, and essentially FileMaker will just send that off to Walmart, and then Walmart will respond with either a success or a fail. This time it didn't work, so we can try it again. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So this time it did work. Sometimes if you do get an error message, we'll want to make sure you chat for that and essentially run the request again. And so here we're showing that there is now 10 in inventory. One thing to note here is, for whatever reason, and this is kind of new right now, so this might change in the future, but as of now, some functions, some of the API function calls will either return JSON. You can ask to get JSON or XML, but some of them only return XML. In this case, it's only returning XML, and FileMaker doesn't really right now have a native way to use XML. So you have to essentially use your own custom function to parse this information. And if we want to change it back, we can change it back. So let's do it again and show that it doesn't always fail. There we go. So that lets us change it back. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you.